From the floor of AWS reInvent in Las Vegas, I interview Pierre-Luc Simard of Mirego. Welcome.
Thank you.
Tell me a bit about what you guys do.
So Mirego does mobile application. We're a service company. We take our client's project and really breathe life into it. So from strategy to actual making of the software. We do a lot of iOS, Android application, but we also do the backend to support those applications. Use obviously a lot of Amazon product to do that, both on the backend and getting all that communication going with our software.
So which AWS services do you use?
Well, the big ones are EC2 and RDS. We'll use a little bit of SQS for queuing, and we're looking into the notification service that was released a couple of months ago to push notification to a different level.
Do you find you have a need to do rapid scaling with your applications?
Yes, a lot of the backends we do are for startups. So they go out, they get very little traffic, then the first few announcements comes in, they get picked up by TechCrunch or another big media outlet, and from there on they got to scale very fast for that peak of traffic, or they got an event going on. So we find that working with Amazon, we can provision instance very fast and scale it up, down as we need to for our clients.
Now, how do you manage and monitor all this?
We obviously use CloudWatch, but another big service we use is New Relic, one of our partners, to look at the performance both on the mobile application stand and on the back end as well. So we can understand, that call is going through, what's going on, how long does it take to get to the server, how long does it take to the server to get the data and come back. So we can understand if we need to scale up our RDS, if we need to scale up our web front end, or if there's a code issue we need to look into as well. New Relic kind of ties it all together for us at that level.
Based on some of the new announcements we've made over the last day or two, do you see any new opportunities for you and for your customers?
I'm excited about AppStream. It's very at the current state, it's really for a specific market in our customer base. Thinking a lot of the users are doing either 3D or very large scale mapping, for example, where a lot of the rendering is hard to do on the front end, so we have to put in tiling and put a lot of effort into dumbing down the data to different level, where we could all do that in one go with less code in the cloud, do one pass rendering and then stream that back to the application. So that kind of approach to sending big data to your mobile device makes a big difference to us.
Have you had much time to attend sessions here at reInvent?
I did a couple of them mobile sessions, being that my main focus.
Excellent. What other kinds of sessions have you had a chance to attend?
I've been focusing mainly on that. I've seen the keynote, obviously, which were awesome, where the new products were announced. I'm looking forward to actually going to one of the security keynote later today, because that's always a big concern for our clients. Say, well, I'm putting all my data in the cloud, what's the security implication of this? It's in another country, we're based in Canada, so what's the impact of regulation there? So understanding this, and there's a couple of sessions that will help me better answer their questions.
I've really enjoyed speaking with you, and hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Well, thank you for having me.
It's been my pleasure.